Mzee Kenage.
Ala habari gani?
Jambo. Sasa mzee nimekutafuta sana. Nilikuwa nauliza. Unaweza kutuambia about the day you will never forget?
Ate what?
About the day you will never forget.
I still can remember it like it is yesterday.
How?
It was back in 1966. By that time I was in class 6.
Yes.
Whereby I woke up very early.
Ndio.
Nikaamka asubuhi na mapema na magware.
Ndio.
Hadi shuleni nilikuwa class 6 wakati ule.
Amen.
So by that time we had continuous this thing we used to call continuous assessment test of about question tags.
Dio.
I was not very good in question tags.
Dio.
So it was like I'm Mzee Kenage. Kenage tai. You see, tomorrow is or next month is December. December and diet.
Yes.
So by that time I was not very good in question tags. So our English teacher was called Mr. Bogua. So Mr. Bogua had given us a continuous assessment test.
Yes.
So and so he was like to punish whoever didn't score.
Yes.
Very well by that time.
This cat.
Yes, the cat.
Yes.
So mimi nilikuwa so akakuja amepewa viboko mingi hivyo.
Yes.
So mimi nilikuwa akaanza kutania.
Yes.
Anaitana kama wewe uko na less than 15 unasaza viboko.
Ndio.
So he started with the Bossy. Bossy had 3 out of that.
What is Bossy?
Bossy, he was my classmate by that time.
Yeah,
my classmate.
Yes.
Bossy had 3 out of that. So Bossy was called Stephen Bossy.
Yes.
Unaambiwa nalala kwa meza.
Haya.
So anawekelewa.
Yes.
So Bossy was beaten because he beat Bossy. When I saw how Bossy was beaten, Gammed up in full all of a sudden, I remembered that I've got a talent. Yes, but when I was in class 6, nilikuwa na talanta ya kukausha matanye. Nakausha matanye inakuwa kama mawe. You see?
I see.
So my name was called.
Yes.
Mzee Kenage. I had 1 out of that. So I remembered how Bossy was beaten. And I realized Mr. Bogua can kill me. So I had to make it harden.
Yes.
Nikakausha. By that time nilikuwa na hadi haga.
Yes.
Nikakausha haga. And then nikalalia kwa meza. So when Mr. Bogua beat me that way, instead of me feeling pain, yeye akasikia uchungu. Unaona? So he was like, and then he could do like this.
Yes.
Let me tell you that the people in my classroom all were laughing. Yes, that is the day I will never forget.
Thank you, sir, Mzee.
Yes.